In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make interactive slides in Google Slides. Whether for educational purposes, business presentations, or just to add a bit of flair to your standard slide deck, incorporating interactive elements can engage your audience more deeply and make your message more memorable. Let's get started by accessing Google Slides. First, you'll need to go to your Google Drive. Here's how: simply sign into your Google account. You'll be asked to type in your email and password. Once you've entered your details, click Next to proceed. Now that you're into your Google Drive, navigate to the presentation where you want to add interactive elements. Open the presentation by clicking on it. Next, we'll start the process of making a part of your slide interactive. With your presentation open, look to the top menu and click on Insert. This button is your gateway to adding various types of content to your slides, from images and videos to shapes and text boxes. Speaking of shapes, let's dive into that next. After clicking on Insert, you'll see an option for Shape. Go ahead and click on it. A side menu will appear with a variety of shapes. For our purpose, let's select Shapes again to see the full list of available options. From the list, choose the square. This is going to act as our interactive element, but you can choose any shape that fits your slide's design. Now draw a square anywhere on your slide by clicking and dragging your cursor. Once you've drawn the square, it's time for some customization. Click on the square you've just drawn. This will bring up formatting options. Here's where your creativity comes into play. You can change the color, add border thickness, or apply any other visual styling that you prefer. With our shape now visually defined, the next step is to add text. Simply click on the shape and start typing your desired text directly into it. This could be a call to action, a question for your audience, or any key message that you want to make interactive. Now for the magic part, making this shape an interactive element. Click on the shape again to select it, look for the toolbar that appears, then click on the three dots at the end of the toolbar. This action will open more options. Here you want to find and click on Hyperlink. This option lets you link your shape to any web page, other slides within your presentation, or any external document. The final step is to add your reference or link. You can link to another slide in your presentation, which is great for creating a non-linear presentation where viewers can choose what content to view next. Alternatively, paste any URL to direct viewers to a website, a document, or even send an email. And there you have it. You've successfully created an interactive element within your Google Slides presentation. This technique can be applied to any shape and used to make your presentations more engaging, informative, and fun. Remember, the benefit of adding interactive elements goes beyond aesthetics. It encourages your audience to engage directly with your content, making your message more impactful. So, go ahead. Experiment with shapes, links, and designs to create a memorable Google Slides presentation. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you take your presentations to the next level. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.